guys, don't fail to try this particular recipe that I just did. Use it every morning. It's very simple, it's not hard. Like this, I'm going to leave it. I can do this like this and put on my fridge. Every morning I will just be using it before it's finished, you know. So you can do it once, leave it on your fridge. Every morning use it. It make your teeth to look white. It make your teeth to look very clean. All these black inches, black dot, black spot on your teeth, it make them to look, so it take them all away. Okay, all right guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please do consider to subscribe to our channel, so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Bye guys, and I'm going to be seeing you all on my next video.